Okay, good morning students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay students, today we will take up another topic and the name of the topic is parts of speech. Have you heard about parts of speech earlier?
Yes, sir.
I think you must have read about parts of speech in your previous classes. So today, what is the meaning of parts of speech? Parts of speech means dividing words in a sentence in different categories according to their functions. Okay, and no sentence can be formed without parts of speech. Okay, so firstly, I would like to tell you about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. I have written one example here. Ram is playing cricket. Okay, so this is a complete and meaningful sentence. Okay, but there are some sentences, there are some words which have their own sentence. For example, go is a sentence in itself. Where there will be some orders. Go, jao. ठीक है? हमने क्या किया? What we read in definition. What I told you in definition. What is the definition? Definition is it is a group of words, but go is not a group of words. This is a single word, but it is a sentence in itself. Okay, so a sentence, when I write here I go, it is made up of two words, I and go. I is subject and go is verb. A sentence is at least made up of subject plus verb, but some exceptions are there like go. And a sentence, once again I would like to say about a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. And one more thing which you need to be very aware about is it must have a verb. Okay, and no sentence without a verb, there is no and there is no sentence without a verb. Oh, okay. And okay, now parts of speech are of, how many types of parts of speech are?
8.
Okay, but parts of speech are not of 8 types, beta. In modern English, in modern grammar, parts of speech are of 9 types. There is misconception that parts of speech are of 8 types, but article has been included in the category of parts of speech. Okay, as you all know that language is evolving, language is dynamic, and with the passage of time, addition and deletion takes place. So, parts of speech are of how many types? 9 types. Okay, firstly I am writing a noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. And naming word, this is called naming word. It comes in place of subject and object. Okay, so noun will come in place of subject and object. Like Ram is playing cricket. So Ram is noun. Subject here. Ram is subject and Ram is noun. And this cricket is also a noun and it is used in place of subject and object. Okay, any word which come in the form of name is noun. You can see many things here like this, marker, this stick, your notebook, your chair, bench. Okay, whatever you can see here, all these are is noun. Okay, Ram is a good boy. And what is noun here?
Noun.
Ram is noun here. Reading is a good habit. What is noun over there? You can see, you can put a question here. You can ask questions. Sir, you are saying that reading is a noun. How? Read is a verb. But one more thing, that here ing form of verb is being used here, and it is verb coming in place of a noun. That's why we will call it as gerund. This is called gerund. This is called gerund. And one more sentence: to err is human, to forgive is divine. So this is to err. Err means error. Okay, error is also verb. So this is called infinitive now. This is called infinitive. So this is to err is noun here. Okay. Then next one is pronoun. What is the pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, this, that, I, we, you, they. All these are examples of noun. All these are examples of pronoun. Okay. When you will write here, he is playing cricket. So it is replacing Ram. It is replacing noun. So he will be pronoun here. Okay. She is playing cricket. It happens. Okay. This is my book. I play cricket. We are going to watch a movie. You are a good boy. All these subjects are pronoun here. And another thing, the next one is adjective. You pronunciate it as adjective, but this is not adjective. This is
Adjective.
because D is soft here, D is silent here. So this is called adjective. Okay, adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies noun or a pronoun. Okay, for example, good, tall, short, brilliant, beautiful. All these are examples of adjective. Okay, when I will say he is a good boy, and it is qualifying noun, it is qualifying pronoun. Okay, Reena is a short girl. So who is a short girl? Reena. It is qualifying Reena as well as it is qualifying short. So Reena is noun and he is a brilliant student. She is a beautiful girl. All these are examples of adjective. So next one is article. Next one is article. We have read about article in our previous lecture, but I would like to revise it. Article, there are two types of article, definite and indefinite article. A and N are example of indefinite article, and these are used with singular countable noun. These are not used with uncountable noun. These are used with singular countable noun. And the next one is definite article, and that is the. And the is used with countable and uncountable noun. With noun that have already been mentioned and pointed out, we will use there the, as we have read about it in our previous chapter. Next one is verb. Okay, what is a verb? It is a word which denotes action of state. You usually say that the word in the doing sentence is called verb. But one more thing you need to be very careful is word which denotes action as well as state. Okay, for example, play, see, watch, dance, read, write, jump, smile. All these are examples of verb. I run. I run. I is subject here, run is verb. I run. This is action. They teach. I know him. Is there any action? No. It is state here. I am a teacher. So what is am here? State. Okay. And there can be no sentence without a verb. Okay. So verb is very important, and there is no sentence without a verb. Next one is adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which adds something in the meaning of a verb. Okay, and it qualifies the nearest word. For example, I work hard. Examples of adverb are hard, very clearly, okay, sadly, fastly. All these are examples of adverb. I work hard. What is adverb here? Hard. Okay, I work very hard. Very is adverb here. He writes clearly. Clearly is how he is writing. He is writing clearly, so clearly is adverb here. Next one is she ran fastly. Fastly is adverb here. Okay, sadly, all are there. Sadly is adverb here, and whenever you will add ly with noun, it becomes adverb. For example, nice. Then you will add ly, nicely. Quick. Quick is a noun. Quickly. Okay, and next one is preposition. A preposition is a word which is used before noun and pronoun to show its relationship with some other words in a sentence. Okay, and you can see here it determines position, and these are used before noun, pronoun, and gerund. Okay, for example, in, on, upon, into, above, below, under, beneath. All these are to, at. All these are examples of preposition. The book is on the table. What is preposition here? On. Preposition here. They insisted on going home. What is preposition here? On. Okay. So these are examples of preposition. Next one is conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins two words, sentences, phrases, clauses. These are called conjunction. Okay. And, but, so, therefore, otherwise, these are examples of conjunction. When you will write here, he is rich and happy. He is rich, he is happy. These are two sentences. But when you will join it, then you will write, he is rich and happy. Okay, when you will write, he is intelligent. He is intelligent, he is lazy. But when you will join, this sentence, so, He is intelligent but lazy. So what is conjunction here? He is rich but miser. Miser is conjunction here. And last one is, ninth one is interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, happiness, surprise, okay, mistake, and resentment. They are known as interjection. For example, Hurrah, we have won the match. Oh, Allah's. Okay, wow. Hurrah, we have won the match. Oh, it's really great idea. Oh, I'm sorry, Allah's, he failed. So these are, conjunction beta. Okay.